If you want to move data from your memory card to the internal storage of Redmi 15 or the other way around, then first of all we need to go to the file manager, which we can find in the app drawer. Once we go over here, you should be able to, let's actually close this, we can switch to the storage, and you can start, for example, by going to SD card, and you can try to find your data that you wish to transfer. So for example, over here I have some photos. If I want to transfer them, I can press and hold my finger on them in order to start selecting them. Then we can tap on these circles in order to select multiple items, and we can choose move. After that, you can choose internal storage because we are transferring from the SD card to the internal storage, and you can choose where it should be placed. Once you choose the folder, the destination, press this check over here in the top right corner. And if you want to transfer the other way around, we can go back, and over here, once we have the storage, then we have this section with the internal storage. And you can do exactly the same thing. So we can try to find our files that we want to transfer, press and hold to select, and then choose move. But this time, of course, we want to choose SD card and then choose where it should be moved. And then press this check in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.